How to sync messages between iPhone and Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily sync messages between iPhone and Mac. So the first step is you will need to log in into the same Apple account in your iPhone and Mac. Then you'll need to go to the settings and then open up the Apple account, and there you'll find iCloud. Tap on it and then you'll find messages option. Tap on it and then make sure use on this iPhone toggle is on, and then tap on sync now. So this will sync all of your messages, and if your toggle is on in your Mac as well, then the messages will appear on both devices since you're using the same Apple ID. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.